Hey everybody, happy Thursday. It's James Duke Ballard here, and I want to encourage everybody to start to spring clean. Now, spring will show up sooner or later in most places, but you don't have to wait for it to show up. You can start right now. Here is one tip that I know will work, but you have to do it. All right, check this out. You want to give yourself 1 hour. 1 hour to declutter a space in your house, in your office. Just give yourself that 1 hour. You have to take the sitting out of decluttering, all right? The two don't go together. If you just sit and look at it, nothing will happen. So give yourself the hour, open your mind and say you could do this because you can, and label a box, love it or leave it. That's it. That's all you have to do this week. You can do it. I'll see you next time on another Duke's Deals podcast.